I'm Sandra Lupien, and I'm the Director of Mass Timber at MSU. When we talk about mass timber, what we mean is a family of engineered wood building materials that can be used either structurally or for decoration in buildings, all different kinds of buildings, whether they're commercial buildings, buildings for people to live in, or buildings on campuses like our beautiful STEM teaching and learning complex here at Michigan State University. So why is the Department of Forestry interested in mass timber? It's because mass timber makes the connection between the forests that we're all here to care about and work on, and the built environment in our cities and rural communities. So really putting those two things together to create powerful forest resilience, carbon storage, and climate solutions in beautiful buildings. So it's a very exciting concept. Building with wood is not a new thing, but building with mass timber, that is putting together dimensional pieces of wood, just like 2x4s that you would build your house with, putting them together into large panels and large beams and columns to create structural integrity in a building is pretty new, but it is a powerful and beautiful way to build buildings, and one that stores carbon in our buildings and also uses less carbon than other types of building materials to produce and transport. So we're excited about mass timber at MSU, and always looking forward to talking with students and anyone else about mass timber.